Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am going to be showing you how to do another type of length check using JavaScript. So let's get right into it. So this is going to be the length check we're going to make in this tutorial. We are going to do function because it's a function. Length check because that's the name of our function. Input, it's going to be the string that we want to check the size of. And size, it's going to be the minimum value that our string can be to be considered valid. And we want to return a true or a false to whatever the function is called. Inside, we are going to do return because we want to return a value. Input.length, that's getting the size or how many characters a string has. And then we're going to check if it's greater than or equal to size. So let's say the input is Bill and the size is 2. We would be checking if 4 is greater than 2. Because there's only 4 characters in Bill, so this becomes 4, and we're checking if 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Let's say it was Max and 5. Well, is 3 greater than 5? Well, no, it's not, and it's not even equal to 5, therefore this would become a false. How do we use this though? Well, you can call it wherever you want, but I'm going to be calling it in a console log statement. This will work for your website, your server, your Unity game, or whatever, but I'll be doing it in a console log statement. And we can do length check, pass in a string we want to check the size of, and then a size. I will be adding a function here, which basically keeps the console open until I hit enter. There'll be an eye up in the corner to explain how this works. You don't need this has nothing to do with the tutorial, it's just here to keep the console open so we can look at the output. So, let's hit play. And it's a false, because name is 4 characters long, and we have a minimum size of 5. What if we change it to 4? Well, it's now true because name is 4 characters long and 4 is greater than or equal to 4. Now let's put name 123. Well, it's also true because it's greater than 4 characters long. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.